Hi guys, today we're doing 30 divided by 9 and Anna's here to share some of her amazing ideas with us. So Anna, you told me you like to think of this question as 30 into 9 equal groups.
Yep.
Okay, let's make sure we have 30 here because we're just going to split these into 9 equal groups. So we have 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10, and then we have another 10, which would give us 20, and then one more, which would give us 30. So we have 30 here. Okay, how are we going to start this?
Well, I want to split into 3 equal groups.
Okay, so we're going to start making 3 equal groups. So how much would be in each? It's basically 30 divided by 3. How much in each one?
Yeah, 30 divided by 3 would have 10 in each.
Okay. Can you move that one over a little bit?
Yeah, I'll move it over.
Okay, I'm going to just put some lines here so that people can see our 3 equal groups. Okay, let's just ignore these two for right now because we're going to have to split this into 3 equal groups again.
Okay.
So we have 10. How many are we going to put in each group?
I want to put 3 in each group.
Yeah, because 3 times 3 is 9. So let's go ahead and here's 1.
2.
Let's spread it out so we can see. So there's 2 equal groups of 3. And there we've got the 3. Okay, I'm going to do it to these ones as well. So we'll just move these over. And same thing over here.
Oh, I want to move one.
You like moving these things, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
Okay, so what are we going to do with these ones that are left over?
Well, we have to split them into 3.
Oh, so a third each then?
No.
So if we split this into 3 equal groups, it's going to give us a third.
Yeah, but you could also put it in a different form.
What other form would you like to put in there, Nana?
I want to
Like you're
put it
thinking
in,
of decimal?
like, you know how we put like 0.5?
Oh,
Why
yeah.
can't we put like 0.3 or 4 or something else?
That's a very good question. And let's talk about it. I'm going to just finish drawing this, and then you want to put this in.
The points.
Okay. So there's our 9 equal groups, right? We've got 3, 6 groups, 9 groups. So, and Anna doesn't want 1/3 here. She wants that in a decimal form.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell you it's actually 0.33333 repeating.
Whoa, that's cool.
So how much is in all one of these?
0.333333333 and going on.
Yeah, and don't forget the 3 in front, right?
Yeah,
so we have 3.33. And I'm just going to put a little line over there so people know it just keeps on going.
Okay.
All right. Great job, Anna.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We're doing 30 divided by 9 here. And I was working with Jerome, and he had some really great ideas about how to solve it. So he said that he doesn't really like division, so he's going to use multiplication. So the first thing he said to me was that he knows that 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, then he said, well, 9 times 4 equals 36. But he said, okay, it's going to be somewhere in between the 3 and the 4, and it's actually going to probably be closer to the 3. So he said, look, I'm going to split this 30 into 27 and 3, and then he's going to figure out 9 times what equals 3. Well, he said, I know that it's just a third. Okay, so then he said to figure out the answer, he just needs to take this one and this one, and so he needs to add 3 plus a third. So 30 divided by 9 is 3 and a third, but he said, let's use decimals for that. So it's just 0.3 repeating. Great job.